device specification. Show CDP neighbor details. So here it will show you the list of all the device specification. For this router, right now I'm in router 1. Okay, it will show you which other devices are connected. See, it is connected for the router 2. So right now it is showing the which router it is. It is Cisco 2960. What kind of capability? It is a switch. Okay, interface, it is connected gigabytes. Okay, hold on time is 120. So which operating system we are using? This is the operating system we are using, release iOS software. Okay, so now if you see other details, you type only show CDP neighbor. Okay, it will show you which other devices it has been connected. So it is connected for the switch. Okay, and it is connected for the router too. If you type same command in center switch, it will give the more information. Show CDP neighbor. See here, it is connected for the router 1, as you can see on the screen, and it is also connected for your router 3, and it is connected for the switch. Okay, hold on timer capabilities and which platform it is, which series router it is, 2960 router, and this that is a switch, 29660 is a switch, and this is the router, Cisco ISR router. Fine. If we type details, so it will give all the details of the device. Just simple command, show CDP neighbor. It will list out all the interface. Even you can check the interface as well. For this is my, yeah, let me check show CDP interface. See which are the interfaces it is connected. It will show you all the systems. It has the VLAN 1. Okay, what is the hold on timer? It has come up with 60 seconds. So sending time of the packets and hold on time is 180 seconds. Gigabytes is up. Okay, sending CDP packet every 60 seconds. So it will give a list of interfaces as well. Same thing how he has given here. Okay, so this is a CDP command, very simple command. Here you can use useful when you have a big, because in right now we have only 2-3 routers and 3 switches. What if you have around 10 routers and 30-40 servers and 100 switches? So we cannot go check what is the switch details every time, right? So that's the reason the CDP command is very helpful. It will give all the information of your device. Fine. Fine, guys. So let's do the wireless lab. Okay. So wireless lab. That is wireless access point configuration. Because most of the organization, guys, if you see in coming these things, everything will be wireless. Because if you talk about the companies in Bangalore, almost city in India and US and Europe countries, so almost all we are using the wireless communication. Now it has been the speed range, it has got up to 500 Mbps and 1 gigabytes per second wireless communication. Okay, so what we can do, so let me take one switch, this switch. Then I will take the wireless access point. So where I can see the wireless access point, click here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the access point, ATP. Yeah. Okay. Let me check. These are the wireless access points. Yeah. 2, 3. So end user device. So just I will take one laptop. Let's take some network controller. I will IPv4. I will take one tab and one phone. I will take two laptop here to connect it. I will take one tab, one phone. It's quite very interesting that wireless. If we talk about wireless, very interesting. See, automatically it's getting connected. So I'll take one phone. Here is phone. Here also keep it phone. So I'll take one server so that it will get automatic IP address from the DSCP server. We'll configure one by one. Right now it is connected. So we will do this lab. It's quite very interesting to do this lab, guys. Fine. So now what I'm going to do, okay, so as you know that it is connected already, okay, you know what I'm going to do. So let me get the automatic IP address from the DHCP server. Let's give the IP address, or else if we better to give some coloring so that we use some coloring so that we can understand better. So example, this is my first floor, HR department, and this access point is IT, and one more is management access point. So we will give the name for this so that you can understand better. So example, this is HR and this is IT. Short name will give better than this short name. And this is let's say management.
Yeah.
Fine. Fine. So let's give the IP address for this. So let's give some 192.168.1.1. And gateway is 192.168. So 1.254 is the gateway. Right. So let's configure the DHCP services. Go to service DHCP on, and gateway is 254. And DNS review 8.8. Starting IP address start from say example 100. Just we need around just 100 IP address.
Okay.
Say. Fine. So now we have got the IP address now. Fine. I think you're right. For the wireless, whenever you configure, so as you can see, so automatically it will be the IP address. You know that, right? All of you?
For the smartphone.
Wireless. For the wireless. For the phone. Okay. So here also we configure the same like this. Okay, configure the port. So as you know that we have to configure the port 1 because you know port 1 is 0 is connected for the switch. Okay, we have to configure for the port 1. Okay, and SSD, we can give any SSD.
HR.
Okay, so SSD means, I think you know, right? What is SSD? This is our HR team, correct?
Yeah. HR, yeah.
Okay, this is our HR. Then we have to select this one. Okay, WPA. I think this wireless password PSK. So password I will use same password for all. Cisco 123. Is it okay? So we can be any password getter. It doesn't require as per your how you want. You can be the same password. So we are done with this. Okay, for the port one. So do full duplex, no problem. Fine. Same thing for this access point. So go to configure. So go to this and SSD. Just give this is for your IT team.
IT. Okay.
This is IT. Click on WPA2. Password is Cisco. Cisco 123. Yes. And same thing for this switch, this access point. And this is management. Right? And go to this. Here also will be Cisco. Cisco 123.
Okay.
Done. Okay. Now what next we have to do? See, now it is disconnected. Can you see here?
Okay.
Now it has got disconnected. Previously it was connected, some wireless devices, right? Can you see, right? Previously. So now we can see it got disconnected.
It need the password.
Yes, because we have changed the password. By default, it has taken. So now what I am going to do? So go to the laptop and request the password. So how we can do? See here, zoom out. Zoom. Can you see the mic now? See there, see the laptop. This is the on and off button. Now it is on. Just click on this button. Now it is off. Okay. So remove this Ethernet connector, that is RJ45. Take WPC wireless adapter and connect it. Okay. Now go to desktop. You must on it. You are on this laptop. Go to desktop, IP address, request for DHCP. See, now it is requesting the DHCP. Okay. Again, send the request for DHCP. Still, it is taking APIPA. Correct. So what else we are missing here?
The SSID. It has to
Yes.
connect to which SSID?
Yes. Okay. We have to connect for your SSID. So how we can connect?
Interface.
Hmm?
We have to find the SSID.
Okay. Go to configure. Go to wireless. Okay. So as you can see, just connect to WPC and give the password here. So what is the password? Cisco
Cisco
123.
123. But where is the SSID to which it will go and connect?
Okay. What is the SSID? Okay. Here it is.
HR.
HR.
Okay.
Correct. So now you go to DHCP and send the request. What is the problem? Let's see. So wireless. Is this something we are missing, man? Bluetooth. No, that's correct. Wireless. SSID is this. Password is using this. Correct. BSC. Laptop is on. Wireless. Correct. Interface we have taken. Oh, why is taking up? You know about APIPA, guys?
If we know about About Office,
Now, what is APIPA? So tell me about APIPA. What is
APIPA,
APIPA? Why it is taking APIPA? Why it is taking APIPA?
APIPA is being used. APIPA is what access point or what?
APIPA is automatic private IP address. Okay, when the device, when the computer not getting IP address from the DHCP, it will take from APIPA network. APIPA network start from 169. Remember that. We can see, right? It starts from 169. Okay, why it is failing means DHCP it will not take from here. As you know that we have connected the adapter for your laptop, right? That's the reason where we should go. We should go to the PC wireless, right? PC wireless. Just go to the connect. Refresh this thing. Here it should show your all three connectors. You can see, right? IT and management. Okay. Let's connect to the this one. HR is
Where
not
the-
there. Refresh once again.
Why? Okay.
Refresh once again. Management.
Okay, bon. Okay, we understand. Okay, no problem.
Okay. So let's keep this here. Let me check.
Why is not available?
Cisco 1, 2, 3. Port number 1 is correct. No problem. Nothing changed. Power device file. Encryption also is correct.
Okay.
Let me show you this once again. Refresh this. Okay, fine. We'll connect to the this one.
Okay.
IT. Let's see. At least I'll show you this. Okay. So we'll connect to the PK2, right? Okay. What is the password?
Cisco 1, 2, 3.
Right. So now it is connected for HR team, right? Can you see? Let's put it this. We'll see this later. Okay. So how about this?
Smartphone.
This phone. So phone, as you know, that phone is a little bit different to just to connect it. Okay, and go to physical configure wireless.
Okay.
CCNA will connect with IT. Password is
Cisco 1, 2, 3.
Cisco 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now see here, because usually we will not configure, very rarely we configure, right? So after giving this all information, okay, so let me check for the wireless physical device. We have to go wireless Bluetooth. I think DHCP configuration should be there. That's it. It's connected. Can you see? It is connected already.
Okay, now it's connected.
Yeah, because just we configured what just configuration of this one wireless. We entered the SSD and wireless. That's it. Okay. So let's see the tab. For the tab, go to configure wireless. For the tab, we will connect management because management is showing there. Okay. Password is Cisco 1, 2, 3. Done. I think that's it. Nothing else. I hope it's connected. See here. It's connected. Perfect. Okay. And see for the laptop. Now this laptop will connect for management. on this laptop. Go to physical, wireless. This is for the management. And password is Cisco 123. Okay, go to desktop, wireless, then connect, refresh. See the step, guys. If you follow the step, I think you can able to do it. Connect for the management and with the password. Cisco 123. Connect. Yeah, it's connected. And same thing for the smartphone. Wireless, and this we will connect for IT. The password is Cisco 123. That's it. It will connect it. Okay. Oh, we are connected for the IT. Sorry, I think we should connect to the management, right? Let's connect to the management. Yes, it's connected, right? Fine. So as you can see, what is the IP address we got it? Let's see. Let's go to this desktop, close this. So what IP address we got? So we got it 1.5 because it's connected for the wireless. It's not a physical interface. It is connected for the wireless. So 105. Correct. So let's see why these HR SSD is HR, Cisco, everything is perfect. What else? Let's restart this. Cisco 123 HR. Okay. So let's see these guys. Where is physical? Oh man, just we have not yet removed this. That's the reason it's not connecting, man. Correct. See, for the wireless, we have not given this IT. This is HR, right? Yeah, this is HR. You're following me, guys?
Okay, yeah, we are following.
Interesting, right?
Yeah, very interesting.
So just go to desktop and wireless and connect. Click on the connect, refresh this. It will show you the list of SSD. Now it has to show the HR. Why is not showing the HR?
Why is it not? Yes, that is the question. Always is not showing the HR.
We will escalate. We'll solve this problem. No problem. Problem with the access point. Yeah.
Or maybe the channel. The channel. Channel 5 GHz channel.
No, that is not a problem. So mobile actually.
Switch it off and again on.
I think we did already.
Oh, okay.
Why in the network it's not showing? Physical desktop. Only management IT is showing.
And IT.
IT and management. Let's see how we have configured.
You see the channel. The channel here is 2.5. 2.4 gigahertz. Let's go to to the next,
Okay.
to the management.
Here it is 5.
Yeah, this is 5 channels. They are not broadcasting information in the same channels. Let's see the management. Management, it should be 2.4. You see,
Okay. I think we have taken the other access point here.
another type. Yeah.
Very smart, Sarji. You are intelligent man. Good, good. Fine. So what we'll do, we will take this other channel for the wireless access points. Yeah. PTV. Which one we have taken? Yeah, I think we should take this. Let's see. This is different. This is not what we require. This is the radio one. This is the other one. Yeah, I think we should take this. Yeah. So now disconnected immediately. Okay, so let's configure this guy now. So this is port 1 and this is HR. Cisco 123. Okay, I think now this laptop must get the HR. Yes. We got it, man. Okay.
That is okay.
Yes.
Okay.
HR, then connect. Then give the password. Cisco 123. Correct. Perfect. So now it is connected. See here. And for the mobile phone, so let's start wireless SSDs, HR. Password is Cisco 123. So SSD is a case sensitive. I think you should give very carefully. Okay. And for the tab, HR. Mamodo, are you there, man?
Yes, I mean,
Yeah. Okay, now it is connected. Right. So this is the lab. Yes, I'll show and configure as wireless EAP. EAP means access point, guys. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so as you know that, so we got the IP address. So all the phone, PC, wireless, they have got the access point. Okay, so you understood, guys, this lab? Any confusion means you can ask me, guys, no problem. I'll repeat once again. Sarji, you understood, right? How to configure this wireless?
Yes. Alhamdulillah, we get
Okay.
a lot of knowledge through it. Okay.
Good. Okay. So now, shall we continue for next lab or shall we continue tomorrow?
We continue tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I think. But Mr. Asman and Larabu, shall we continue or shall we stop today?
we'll continue tomorrow.